There are three things that all successful faceless accounts do and do well. Number one, they establish trust with their followers. Without showing your face, it can be hard for people to trust that what you're saying is truthful. So you just have to get creative. Make sure you're showing a side of yourself without having to reveal your identity by being transparent, sharing your successes, and interacting with people in your stories. Maybe you feel comfortable sharing where you're from or things that you like to do. You don't have to tell them specifics about you as an individual, but maybe just about your interests or your hobbies. Interacting with people in your stories and your DMs is a great way for them to see your human side and to know that you're a person behind the faceless account. Also, you want to curate a specific aesthetic so people recognize your Instagram reels or your TikToks before they ever click on them and see who's posting. This is an essential part of establishing your brand identity because without your face, people aren't necessarily going to recognize if every single one of your content pieces looks different, that it's coming from you. And you want to establish a very strong brand as a faceless account because you don't have your face to kind of hide behind. The brand needs to be the aesthetic and the information you're providing and what you're showing your audience on your content. And lastly, you just need to be able to really create quality content. As your account grows and people are engaging with your content, they are going to want to see the quality continue to progress and get better. Before designing a post, ask yourself, what value am I providing to my audience? Is this something that they're going to want to save to come back to later? Is this content that my audience is going to want to share with other people? These are the three things that successful faceless accounts do day in and day out.